Hey everyone, I'm at Sandos Caracol Eco Resort and I wanted to give you a quick tour of my room. We are in room 503 and let's go and I'll show you what it looks like. We stayed at the Sandos Caracol Eco Resort for a week at the end of September into the beginning of October. If you haven't already checked out my resort tour video, make sure you do. It's linked in the description below and gives a full tour of the resort. When we checked in, we found out that we were supposed to be in the adults only section, but the adults pool was actually closed for maintenance. We asked to be closer to the activity pool, which was technically in the Royal Elite section. Hey everyone, if you cannot tell, it is boiling hot here and I am not complaining. We are at Sandos Caracol and I wanted to show you our room, and the coolest thing is that our wristband is actually our room key. So let me show you room 503. This was a daily struggle for me to align my wristband to the door sensor, but it was convenient to not have to carry a key as well. And when it worked, it was great. Alright, so when you come in, it's a pretty basic room. It's not the nicest room we've ever stayed in an all-inclusive, but it is still pretty nice. So right here from the door, you go around and there is a toilet here, little toilet room all on its own. So that is nice because the other person can get ready here in the bathroom area. There are 2 sinks and a large shower, so that is pretty nice. And big mirror, here I am. This seems like it's something from the 80s. However, hope it works. So it's not working. I'm gonna see if that ends up working. I will let you know. Over here, we have a water jug for fresh water, coffee maker, ice container, and a fully stocked fridge with some beer and pop. Then over here is the phone and a large bed with an air conditioner over it and a TV on the wall and a nice big patio, but I'll get there in a second. Over here in the closet, we have a lot of storage actually. There are 3 doors here. There's an iron and ironing board, a lot of hangers, storage above, and there is also a safe here that looks like it will fit my work laptop, which is perfect because I brought it just in case. Now, if we go outside here, I don't actually know which way to go. Alan is out here. Ooh, there are some animals running by. Better be careful. Oh, there's a baby one. Oh my God, that's so cute. Okay, and we are right at the pool. So this is super convenient. How do you think the room is so far?
So far so good. Convenience, 10 out of 10.
From a convenience standpoint, I would definitely give this 10 out of 10. From a modern accommodation standpoint, I probably would only give it about a 7 because there are some dated items and it looks like it could use a refresh. But overall, we're pretty impressed so far and we'll let you know how it goes. So while Alan figures out how we work the safe here, it's not the same as other safes we've had at different resorts, I figured out how to use the hairdryer. So I'm gonna show you how to work this retro hairdryer at the Sandos Caracol. So first things first is you take this off. Then you set the timer and you put it on high or you put it on low. So it seems like it's gonna work for this crazy hair of mine, but I've never seen anything like it before. So that's one of the things that I could think of that needs updating already in here. There's a few other things, but overall it's clean, it looks comfortable, and Alan thoroughly checked the bed because that's something we always do when we go to hotels, Airbnbs, etc. And it seems clean. The location was amazing. We were right in front of the main activity pool, which meant we had easy access to our room if we left our sliding door unlocked. And when we were sitting right in front, we did, so we never had to use the public washrooms by the pool here. We also had tons of wildlife sightings in front of our room because these little coaties were always after the food that people would leave on the pool chairs and around the pool. From a location standpoint, this is an amazing room. We are close to the buffet, the main activity pool, the beach, and so much more. So I hope this video can be helpful if you're trying to choose your room location here at Sandos Caracol. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more travel videos coming soon.